Hiro,
You po.
did you poo-poo or pee-pee? Is that pee-pee or poo-poo?
You are going to hide?
Say hi! Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko for Ilocano. Tapos, kanina nandun ka sa hallway, you said, tumakki. So, that's gonna be our Ilocano words. Mama, you making kuti-kuti there. Takki and isbo. Takki, isbo. Number 1 and number 2. So, if you have to go to the restroom and you have to do number 1, you have to say, makaisbuak. 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 In Tagalog, naiihi ako. Naiihi ako. And number 2, makatakkiak. Makatakkiak. Makatakki. Takki. Makatakkiak. Or, Tagalog, let's just use a slang word I like using. Napupupu ako. Napupupu ako. Or, natatae ako. And mom just said, my four-legged nephew just did number 1 and number 2 in the hallway. Mom said, ano yun sabi mo? Umisbo. Umisbo ken tumakki.
Tumakki.
Umisbo ken tumakki. Umisbo. Umisbo ken tumakki. He did number 1 and number 2. Pumupo, no, umihi at tumae.